Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. Welcome back to All About Qasim. First and foremost, Ramadan Mubarak to all of my people, all of my fellow Muslims. May Allah Ta'ala bless your month, and inshallah we all get all the blessings we can never ask for. Ameen. So guys, it's a month of Ramadan, it's a month of being hungry, it's a month of eating nice food. So today I'm going to share another recipe with you guys. Inshallah, it'll get your taste buds tickling. I hope you're watching it after your iftari time, by the way. Sorry if it's beforehand. But anyway, let's carry on. We're going to make some chicken salad. I'll show you the recipe step by step, and inshallah ta'ala, it will give you a bit of an idea of something you can eat for your tomorrow's rosa. You never know. So guys, let's not waste time and let's go. Hanji guys, run nami selfie stick laiya. Test कर रहे हैं, testing 1 2, you know. मैनू दस्सियो कि कोई difference होया कि नहीं. I'm checking. I've got a mic connected to it as well, because my sound, I've been told by some people that I can't hear you properly. So guys, I'm trying my best for you. So please tune in, stick in, and tell me if there's any other criticism as usual. And inshallah, we will carry on with today's vlog, and I'll try my best to entertain the finest people, which is you. And inshallah, we will join this journey together. Now let's go guys, let's get this recipe going. Okay guys, not wasting time in this channel. So we have got the tail in there, the oil has been added, full gas. So let that heat up a little bit, inshallah. The bismillah karke, the piyaz is here as well, and a full clove of garlic. We like it whole guys, we like it whole. How many onions, Rimsha? Five small sized onions. To give you an idea guys, I'll show you. This is the size of onions that we use. So they're small to medium. And we're gonna let that fry a bit, inshallah. Okay guys. Hanji Havatino Hazrat, ladies and gentlemen, the food is cooking at the moment. The onions and the garlic, once they're cooked a bit, we'll come back to the next step. I just thought I'd show you my lovely face while you are waiting, eh? So guys, also remember this, we're very open to suggestions. So if there's any other recipes, if there's any little tips, I think something that we've missed, you really never know, please do share it in the comments. That's what the section's there for. And let me know, let her know that you've got a different way of doing it. So we like to know these things, you know what I mean? Share knowledge, just like we're trying to do here, because our recipe isn't going to be the best, we know that, but it works for us. And whatever works for you, if it's something better, something quicker, something tastier, I don't know, let me know. The comment section guys, don't forget. Okay guys, so mashallah, this took about 10 minutes. That's the onions and the garlics, perfect colour that we're looking for guys. And we've got 2 washed chickens here, adding a bit of hot water. And now we're going to spin it again. Excuse me, don't worry guys, I covered my mouth, I didn't cough over the chicken. And now 2 chickens are going in full, yeah? Okay, obviously you have to wash the chicken guys before you put it in. I'm pretty sure you know that already. Keep spinning until you've got the onions, the chicken all infused together in a nice way, inshallah. So we'll do that, and we'll take you to the next step guys, inshallah. Stay tuned. So the first thing going in is some salt. Tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
1 full tablespoon guys. This is 2 chickens, remember. Now everybody's got their own way, their own taste, and their own amounts that they normally put in. We don't like to over salt it, because there's a lot of spices going in. So 1 full tablespoon salt is how much we're going to use. And the next spice is going to be, that's half a tablespoon. Red chili powder. Half tablespoon. As you probably noticed guys, we're doing like, I see mirch nahi khande inne, we can't handle it. We like to taste the meat. So half a tablespoon of chili powder and a full tablespoon of salt so far. And the next spice is, I would say, just under half a tablespoon of haldi. What is that? Haldi, I got it right guys. So I'm getting there. And the next spice is going to be, okay guys, and the next one is dhania powder, a whole tablespoon. And get that shoved in there. So that's all the spices in there, mashallah. And then we're going to give that a twist and a spin. Get all the spices mixed into the chicken, inshallah. Guys, I need to add this. These drinks are, mashallah, my new favourite. So you've got your tropical passion fruit. The brand is Niru, and it says in the back that it's made in Poland, but it tastes so desi. It's got an amazing flavour, mashallah. It's not got any harsh chemicals in it that sweeten it. So guys, I'd recommend it for you and the family. And it's also got added vitamin D. So it's healthy, it's good for you, it tastes good. I don't get paid for this, but I'm telling you right now, guys, mashallah. Go to Asda, that's where you'll find it. So anyway, sorry, chef, 1 second, guys. She is adding the tomato. Add a whole tin. Half a tin of tomato. Chopped tomato tin. Sorry, I've changed the angle there. And that's going to get twisted in there, get mixed in there, inshallah. Mashallah, it's already looking good, Rimsha. The chicken's cooked quite fast, actually. The colours came in near enough. Yeah, so guys, we're almost there. She's going to give that a twist. So guys, this juice, I'm telling you, try it. I like my Rubicon, I like that, but you get sick of the same stuff. So guys, if you want variety in life, go to Asda, Walmart, and get that juice. Trust me, mashallah. You'll see it in the world food section. Try it. And as you can see, I fed my top as well at the same time. I'm sure that enjoyed the juice as well. I'm clumsy. So guys, I just thought I'd show you a proper sneak peek. It's been 5 minutes since the tomato tin's been added. She's mixed it nicely. Pani bhi bahar aa gaya ba chicken da, mashallah. The waters came out nicely. So intezar ki gari hai bas. Sorry, she said stop doing that. I'm not a chef, guys, eh? I'm not a chef, eh? Okay guys, I had to leave the kitchen. It's too hot in there. The window's open, mashallah. It's still roasting, eh? Honestly. It's going to get warmer, I think. The summer's coming, inshallah. So the chicken has got another about 10 minutes for her to cook it that way. And inshallah, then we will add water. I'll show you all, guys. Don't worry. I'll share the whole thing with you, inshallah. So stick by me, guys, and I will show you the end result, inshallah. Okay, guys, we're almost there. So what I'm doing right now is I'm getting my steps in. See, when you eat at night time during Ramadan, guys, trust me, if you don't walk enough, you feel like rubbish, you feel like crap. So I'm making sure I get my steps in. I'm trying to get fit. Inshallah, after Ramadan, you'll see your boy getting fitter. I'm going to join a gym. I'm going to start training again. And I'm going to look 10 years younger, inshallah. Hey, Ramsha. Okay, guys, now this has been cooking for 15 minutes. That's the colour you're looking for. And mashallah, it's looking very nice, Ramsha. The oils came out a bit. So now we're going to add some pani, hot water, and that's to make the chorba, which is basically the gravy of the salan, inshallah. So once that pani's been added, give it a nice mix. Okay guys, so for 2 chickens, this is how much water we've added. We want to make it quite a lot of gravy, inshallah. So once you put the water in there, make sure it's hot water, guys, okay? And you just keep spinning it. And then you just leave it like that, and inshallah we're going to put the lid on now. Not yet. That's it. Okay guys, mashallah, now it's been 5 minutes. Now we're going to add the tanya, the coriander. Now as everybody knows, like I said the last time, the main ingredient of the salan. So she's going to give that a little chop, inshallah. So we're going to give it a nice wash first with cold water. Saaf karna penda bas war ke. So that's getting cleaned, inshallah. Once it's cleaned and dried a bit, rinse all the water out, obviously, and then you give it a chop. Acha, go for it. Now the tanya, the coriander is going in there. That is the final ingredient, guys. And inshallah, that will go inside and that will get spun in there, inshallah. We're going to give that a nice little twist. Acha, guys, main kamanda manu, huh? I'll give that a nice little mix, inshallah. She's saying do it slowly so you don't break the chicken up. So Rimsha, I'll leave the rest to you. I just thought I'd do my bit. Okay guys, hon asi mari ji aag te lavange. So you lower the heat up and then you just leave it there. Unnu thodi ji pakan do, let it cook. And inshallah, I will let you know how long we cooked it for. And then it should be complete after that, inshallah. So guys, just bear with us, please. Okay guys, 15-20 minute pakyasi. Hon mashallah is looking very good. 50 minutes later, it's cooked and is ready for eating. Today will not be the day we get to taste it, unfortunately. It'll be tomorrow. But inshallah, I will let you know my verdict. And trust me guys, I know it's going to be worth it. So I'll see you tomorrow, inshallah. So guys, don't be pissed off, yeah, but I totally forgot to show you a taste test. The reason is because there was about 10-15 people in the house, and I felt a bit awkward getting my camera out just to taste it, and some people are very self-conscious in my family. They're like, you're not putting me in your videos. So unfortunately guys, I would have showed you it now, but the food, mashallah, got finished. However, don't take my word for it. The food tasted fantastic. Test the recipe yourself. Check it out. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Now it's nearly time for Sehri. It's getting late. So inshallah ta'ala, I will carry on with that. And I hope you are getting on well with your rosé, with your fasting. Keep it up. Hope Allah ta'ala rewards all of us for our sacrifices in Ramadan, and inshallah Allah ta'ala accept your du'as and accept your rosé. So guys, I don't want to stretch this outro for too long. I hope you have a good Ramadan for whatever's left of it, and inshallah I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for tuning in to All About Qasim. So see you the next time, guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Alvida. I love you. Bye.